This video explains how to get into a database on your online class page. On the bottom of the page, you will see a section for recommended databases. You will see the different databases organized under different tabs. Look for the tab that's most related to your need. This one is for encyclopedias and other references. Under this tab, we have one database, and it is the Gale Virtual Reference Library. Be sure to have your activated barcode if you're off campus, because once you click on the link, you will be prompted to enter the barcode to get in. Once you're in the database, look for the search box. This is where you input the keywords for the topic you're researching. Another thing to check are the tools to help student research in a database. In this database, the tools are on top. Pay attention to this one in particular. This is the Cite tool. If you click on it, it produces the item in your citation format. You can always select the other available citation formats. Once you select the citation format, click on Copy and paste it into your Word document. You can also export the citation to the other tools. So take some time to check out the tools on the platform. Again, they're either on top, on the bottom, and sometimes on the sides. They are to help you do your research. That's it. Have fun exploring the database.